The probe into the massive Andhra Pradesh liquor scam has taken a significant turn, with the special investigation team uncovering 11 crore rupees in unaccounted cash from cardboard boxes, as you can see on your screens at the moment. These cardboard boxes with 11 crore rupees have been recovered from a farmhouse near Shamshabad on the outskirts of Hyderabad. The cash was reportedly hidden in these 12 boxes, according to details provided by a key accused in the case. In fact, cops claim that these 12 boxes full of cash were found at this farmhouse on the outskirts of Hyderabad that was raided. The cash seizure is linked to the Andhra liquor scam as per preliminary reports. Uma Sudhir has all the information you need. She joins us live at the moment. Uma, we're given to understand that after this raid at a farmhouse on the outskirts of Hyderabad, 11 crore rupees of cash has been seized in cardboard boxes.
Yes, indeed. Very dramatic find by the special investigation team that is probing the AP liquor case. And what they have found is currency VATs amounting to 11 crore rupees that was packed in about 12 cardboard boxes and placed in a farmhouse identified as Sulochana Farmhouse in Kacharam village in Shamshabad. And they acted upon the information that they got from the A40 who was accused as number A40 in the liquor case. And that person is actually Varun Kumar Purushottam, and he was someone who had been made as an operations head of Leela Distilleries from Puducherry, and this was a company that didn't even seem to have enough capacity to manufacture liquor, and yet 459 crore rupees of amounts were transferred from the AP State Beverages Corporation to this particular company. But what Varun Kumar is said to have told the investigating authorities is that he and another associate identified as Vinay had transferred this money and placed it in the farmhouse on the instructions of Kasi Raj Reddy, or Kasi Reddy Raj Reddy, Rajshekar Reddy as he is called. He is the A1 in this particular case. He used to be IT advisor in the YSRCP government and advisor to the Chief Minister on the information technology issues. And he is someone who has been now called as a mastermind for the AP liquor scam, because the scam involves formulating a policy and changing the norms of giving out the liquor from an automated system to a manual system, such that the very well-known brands were replaced with less well-known brands. And it is said that for every case of liquor, 150 to 600 rupees was paid for every case, and that amounted to 60 crore rupees of kickbacks every single month, which is said to have been transferred through Raj Kasi Reddy to several other people. So the special investigation team has in fact said that the entire amount that they suspect has been scammed is to the extent of 3,200 to 3,500 crore rupees, and the link is also being made saying that Raj Kasi Reddy had passed it on to those in the highest positions in government, and the allegation is that he was close to the Chief Minister, and therefore even in the charge sheets and the remand reports that we have seen, the name of the former Chief Minister had come up, even though he has not been named as an accused in this particular case as of now. But yes, this is the first time that they are able to get a tangible cash which is now being linked to the liquor scam, and therefore the SIT does believe that this is a big breakthrough, because even though they have been talking about hundreds or thousands of crores that have been scammed, 11 crores of cash being found is something that's a big breakthrough. Back to you.